I'm making my egg sandwich with tomato jam, truffle cheese, and sausage.
Wow.
Okay, is there bacon in there?
Sausage!
Oh, okay, I'll take it. It's a bacon, sausage, and cheese sandwich.
Okay,
yes.
first, could you please fry up some pork sausage patties, which is the best.
The best for a breakfast.
Season the heck out of them. We're gonna make a spicy tomato jam.
You're making it? A bespoke jam?
Tomatoes, look at
Para
that. Just like on an Instagram feed, right? Go in, like that.
Wow, I know, right? Just dumb.
like-
Or when they just throw things in the pie, it drives me absolutely insane.
Yeah.
I
It's
know.
like, bam! I'm like,
Sugar,
it's like undoing years of
vinegar.
what we've done.
Okay, is that red wine vinegar?
Yes, salt.
Okay, all things I have.
Pepper and cheenies.
Yep.
Crushed
I
red
create
pepper.
those from my
Crushed red
garden.
pepper. Stop, Jeff. It's not fair that you just make fun of me all the time.
It is
We're
fair,
gonna
'cause you do the
stir,
same to me.
stir, stir. This is the easiest thing. You're gonna do this, I swear to God.
I am gonna do this. I even have the same size Dutch oven.
In the oven, like at 375 degrees.
In the oven?
45 minutes, and you're gonna start to stir it every 15 minutes until it gets jammy whammy.
Okay, I like
And then
that.
take it out and let it cool.
All right, I'm in.
Okay? All right.
Even better, I don't have to stir or anything.
Just set it, 45 minutes, okay. This looks fantastic. Next, I know you like eggs, but I
do.
also know she doesn't like eggs cooked in the pan with other eggs.
Yeah, they can't touch.
So I'm making 3 for you guys and 1 for you in one little pan,
Oh,
okay?
he gonna make me cry, y'all.
Oh, no, here we go.
Somebody, where's the
Get the tissues.
Oh, my God. I'm gonna get ready for the tears.
Get ready for the tears, okay?
Early to cry.
Okay, so
Yeah, we had 2 courses until you start crying.
Okay,
okay, so I like to cook my eggs low and slow with butter.
Okay, yep.
Smell the butter in the pan
non-stick
already.
pan. We're gonna put salt in the pan.
Yes,
There it is.
Always.
Juicy salt in the pan.
Pepper
Don't
in
make
the
me
pan.
change the way I do eggs now.
Pepper in the pan,
Yeah.
too.
How did GZ know I don't like my eggs to touch? I said that before.
I did some extensive research.
Okay.
You hired a PI.
Here's you, like that's sunny. There's a little S in there. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Keep it really low.
What kind of
Cover
eggs
it.
are you? Are we doing over easy, sunny side up?
Sunny side up.
Up.
You know the song?
Yeah.
Sunny side up.
I don't know the song.
Oh, I'm gonna
That's a-
sing you
that's
that.
a
I
GZ
sent it to
original.
you. You know
the
that song.
songs.
It's by
Watch
GZ
this.
and the Boys, I believe. Sunny side up.
So low and slow. I know there's a lot of controversy about this.
No, I have a 20-minute sunny side up egg.
If you go to Spain, they cook them, fry them in olive oil like they murder them, and they
Yeah.
curl up like this, and that's fine. There's a different technique. I like it like this
I
for this
agree with
particular
you.
dish. Okay,
Yeah.
let's get the sausage on the griddle. It's like a smash
It's
sausage.
like a smash burger.
Because what's
but
going to
with
happen
sausage.
is the ratio, the ratio is really important.
Bigger than the buns, so
Bigger
then when
than
it
the bun
cooks,
because it's gonna shrink by exactly a ½ inch, which is about 12–15%, and that'll be perfect. I hate when the ratio is wrong. It upsets me.
Yeah.
We buttered these, and you see that golden color? That's gonna make the difference between a really delicious sandwich.
So important.
It's so important, and no one does it. Very few people do it.
Buttering and griddling buns and bread and all that. Like, nothing does a disservice to bread more than, like, dry toasting it.
Or when you overcook it and then you've got a dry bun for your burger.
It's just shards of
So take a look at this.
everywhere.
This is very low.
Smell like breakfast in here, I'm telling you that much, man. No joke.
Look at expert searing. Look at that expert searing by
Yes.
the one and only ICAG. We have a gorgeous salad that Alex is just gonna toss. A little frisée.
I'll take it. I
vinegar.
like frisée.
Just gotta have that in the morning.
Yeah,
I
it's
have
crunch.
beautiful truffle to cheese here.
Ooh, putting on the ribs.
Look at these pork sausage burgers.
Yes.
Fantastic. And now, you ready?
Oh, look at that!
Oh, look at that.
That's gorgeous.
Is that magic?
What about my egg? What about my egg?
Oh.
Pep. A lot of pep.
I do like pepper.
A lot of pep.
Yeah,
Love pepper.
Look at the smell.
it's crazy. Putting your-
Alex is
putting your
going
wrist
ham on
into
this,
that.
on the frisée
Okay.
with scissors.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna put it together.
She
So
loves
I'm
me.
saying that we should put this in the bottom. What do you think? The jam on the
I
bottom?
think that's
Yeah.
nice, yeah. I would
Do
do
it.
that.
Don't skimp on this. This is really a great.
Rich.
And you don't
A
want
lot
to
of
weigh down.
flavor in there.
You don't want to weigh down the yolk too much either.
Scalpel.
Yeah, exactly. Only the bun on top of,
Yeah.
a yolk like that.
I don't
Jeff,
think
you
the
tell
frisée's
me.
going on, is
want me
it?
to
Yes,
No,
it
it's
is.
gonna be on the
You
side.
want the patty on the here?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. All right.
I think I would put the lettuce on top of the burger and then let the egg go on top of it.
Yeah, that could work.
Jeffrey, where
Okay.
would you like your lettuce?
Will you put these here for me?
On the top of the tomato jam ones
No.
or the plain ones?
This is very.
Lettuce next.
I feel like.
Lettuce
Because
next.
then it's kind of like a
Yes.
country salad when the
Exactamente.
like
Because this
that.
has
the
to
no
ooze.
frisée.
The breakage is
down.
important. We're breaking bread here, literally.
We're breaking bread.
Yolk.
And yolks.
Yolk.
I do say the L.
No, you do.
That's another thing, yolk.
You think
yeah.
I don't notice after 9
Yeah.
years? Look at this egg.
Perfection.
That's right, Jeezy. Give
ahead,
it to me,
Jeezy.
baby.
Let me get in your way, love.
I can't wait to hear
Wow.
another verse of Sunny Side Up by Jeezy and the Boys later.
Please no.
Wow.
Don't smush it.
Come on, Jeezy. Come on, baby.
Dude.
Oh, my.
This is for my queen,
special.
my little queen of the morning.
I got,
Just call
you
me
got
a
Bon
queen.
appetit.
Yes,
I love
Jeezy.
Yeah, here you go.
This is gonna, yeah, you might need a, yeah,
Wow.
You
good
close.
choice in
That
color
looks-
of
that
napkin
looks
too for your.
amazing.
Matches and everything.
Well, no, it's gonna. You're not gonna be able to see the yolk drip.
First, Jeezy, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I don't know how you got the short straw in this chef swap.
No, I didn't. I got the
shorts.
That's the bite right there with the yolk.
Up there it goes, and drippage. No containment. She got the whole yolk in the mouth. I think.
I went right to it. Uh-huh.
Went right to it. Oh my Jesus.
Wow.
Wow.
Ooh, I smell that.
That
truffle.
tomato jam is something else, Jeezy. I'm
that the
definitely
jam?
making that. It is the jam. The
jam.
sausage. I love when you properly griddle sausage like Alex did. You get that seared crunch on the outside. Perfectly cooked egg. I mean, this is the way to break the fast, 100%, man.